So I let this build up so that I could make a cleaning video, and then I let it build up so much that I was super frustrated. As you'll see a lot in my face right there, I was super frustrated. And, you know, it continues. I show a bunch of stuff that I'm using in this video. Of course, I have to pre-clean the sink a little bit because it gets gross if you let dishes sit in there for a week or whatever. That dish soap I was using is from Attitude Clean. It's a Canadian company and it's non-toxic. I found it on ewg.org, I believe, and it's like super non-toxic and I love it. I buy it in bulk. I mean, bulk is not even enough for me. I have to buy like double bulk because I clean houses and I always run out. But their bathroom cleaner is like top notch and I don't die when I'm using it, which is very important to me because I'm cleaning houses, I'm on my knees, and it's like a lot to breathe in chemicals while you're cleaning. So I love that. I also mixed it with Dr. Bronner's for the to clean the sink out first, and that little soap dispenser I used just now to wash my hands, that is actually Dr. Bronner's Castile soap with water. It's not actually Bath and Body Works. So just had to put that little tidbit in there. The European dishcloth I use to wipe up that spill, and the scrubber actually I get from Grove Collaborative, and it's so nice. Like, the scrubber is walnut. It's made out of walnut, so that's a lot better than plastic or whatever those sponges are made out of. I don't know, but I like it a lot and it actually works. Like, some of them don't actually work. And that dishcloth is like a, I don't know, it's like a paper towel almost. And it's, if you've ever heard of ShamWow, it's kind of like that, but not to that extreme. I just thought I'd add that in there. And that's pretty much it for this. I wiped up this and then I cleaned the rest of it, but I didn't film it because I was just frustrated. I felt like I was in a time crunch to film everything. But I really wanted to get some recordings done so I can start filming stuff.